Forgiveness, such a simple word, yet one of the most powerful forces in any relationship. It is the glue that holds broken pieces together and the bridge that reconnects hearts torn apart by pain. But why is forgiveness so hard? Maybe it's the fear of being hurt again, or the pride that whispers, they don't deserve it. Yet, every relationship comes with moments of imperfection, mistakes, misunderstandings, and betrayals. These moments challenge us to decide, will we let go, or will we choose to forgive? Imagine a couple who almost gave up on each other after a betrayal. They were on the verge of walking away, but something pulled them back. Memories of laughter, promises of forever, and the realization that love is stronger than pain. Through tears and honesty, they chose forgiveness. Their relationship wasn't the same. It became stronger. And what about family? Have you ever had a falling out with someone you love deeply? A sibling, a parent, or a close friend? The pain of silence can feel unbearable, yet forgiveness can bring healing where words fail. Forgiveness is not about forgetting, it's about freeing yourself. It's a choice to move forward, to value love over pride, and to give a second chance, not just to others, but to yourself. Through this channel, we'll share real stories of forgiveness that will inspire, move, and remind you of its transformative power. Whether it's mending a friendship, rebuilding trust in a marriage, or healing old wounds in a family, forgiveness is the foundation for lasting connections. Because at the heart of every bond is the courage to say, I'm sorry, and the strength to respond, I forgive you. So, what does forgiveness mean to you? Let's explore together in this heartfelt journey of love, redemption, and healing.